Why is crying and weeping so important anyways? Wouldn't God just forgive me if I just asked him for forgiveness easily? Growing up, I used to hear these lectures all the time. The lectures, the Maulana used to say, yes, make sure you cry. It's a night of Qadr, make sure you cry, make sure you shed some tears. I always used to wonder, why? If someone came to me and said, Shaykh, forgive me, and I turned to him and I said, well, if you want me to forgive you, you might as well cry to me first. What would you say about Shaykh? I say, this is one arrogant Shaykh. And yet, when you look in the narrations of ahlul bayt, they say, no, crying is very good. It's very helpful. See if you can shed some tears. It's because you have to understand the severity of your situation. God is not, na'udhu billah, going on some power trip. He's not trying to make you understand that he's the one who's powerful and all. This is how we do things. It's not God. He wants you to understand how terrible your deed was. Because what you did, it doesn't hurt God, but it was very bad in its essence. And you will understand better. And it will have a greater impact on you when you cry to him. Otherwise, what does he want to do with your tears anyways?